There was a huge victory in the course today for this crypto tax bill, which is going to have a huge effect on the price of Dogecoin, on the price of cryptocurrencies. And in this video, we have some incredibly important information that you cannot miss. So make sure you stay tuned and watch the whole video. What's up, Myles? It's ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies where we call out huge plays before they happen. If you want to get access to my profitable trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, join the Patreon, which is in my top pinned comment or in my video descriptions. Only $10 a month, where you can talk to me on the phone. We can build you a portfolio, and I have many services that you should definitely check out. I'm giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put Dogecoin giveaway in the comments. We're gonna get started right now, but before we do so, make sure you guys hit the like button. It helps us support the channel and the Dogecoin community, and let me know in the comments, what is your price prediction for Dogecoin the end of the year? So we have some really good news that just came out for cryptocurrency and the whole crypto market, Bitcoin, a lot of our favorite cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, some of them have pretty much stood still and have sold off a little bit, gone down a little bit because of this whole crypto tax that's being talked about in the news. Just a bunch of more FUD, which really is not even going to have a huge impact on the market. But a lot of people that were fearful found a victory today in the cryptocurrency industry. So it says cryptocurrency and the infrastructure bill. The industry won the last minute concessions. So what they were able to do in court today is they were able to kind of soften the blow to the crypto industry with this new tax bill. They're trying to do this new tax bill for cryptocurrencies, have some regulation on it. And the first bill that came out just a couple of days ago kind of scared investors, scared people a little bit. And that's why we saw a bit of a sell-off for Bitcoin the last day or so, and Dogecoin and some of our favorite cryptos. So a lot of people were scared that this was going to be huge. There's no time when they're actually going to implement this. But the government's trying to make money off of crypto, which can be good. If the government's like, hey, we can make a lot of money off crypto, you know, we can do this and that, it might end up being really good for crypto. But most importantly, there's a victory in the courts today to lessen some of this fear, which could be really good for cryptocurrencies, at least in the immediate short term. Did you guys also see this, that there's a brand executive? He's posting a house for sale. He wants Dogecoin. If you're willing to give him Dogecoin, he's going to take 10% off the price. So he's trying to sell his house only for Dogecoin. Very good to see. And this is just the start. This is the beginning. There's a lot of people selling cars. There's a lot of people selling houses for Dogecoin. Dogecoin is going to have a great use case in the future, as the developers are working on it right now to make Dogecoin a very competitive crypto in this space of transactions. So that Dogecoin is actually going to be better than Bitcoin for transactional use, because it's going to be faster. It's going to be much cheaper. It's more desirable for people to actually want to use Dogecoin over any cryptocurrency in the world. So Dogecoin is not just a meme coin. It's not a pump and dump. A pump and dump is when something goes up really fast and comes down and never recovers. Dogecoin has recovered 40-something% thus far from the bottom. And it's going to continue to go up as all the rest of the good cryptos continue to go up. Dogecoin actually has a real future, just like Ethereum, just like Bitcoin. You want to find cryptocurrencies that have a good use case and a good future, and Dogecoin is definitely one of them. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, just my own opinion. So we have a lot of very important information to cover, but there's a lot of fear. There's just a bit of fear. We bounced from greed into neutral territory. So there's a little bit of concern, a little bit of anxiety, which comes from media, which comes from FUD that we see on TV and the news. So just remember, the big whales, the big fish, they are buying cryptocurrencies like never before, and they're going to do everything they can with news articles, with FUD, everything they can to cause the price to go down. There's a lot of people out there that want the price of cryptos suppressed, especially people that believe in these cryptos, because they want to bring these cryptos down again to 30,000. They want to bring these cryptos down lower so they can buy as much as they can before these things take off, because these prices we may never see ever again before with cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies move up really fast in a blink of an eye and when we least expect it. And here's a very interesting piece of data that I want to share with you. Bitcoin is still being perceived as bearish by the Twitter community, according to their algorithm measuring Bitcoin social volume and ratio of positive versus negative comments. It's a good sign for bulls as prices rise when the crowds expect a downwards moment. our movement. So what he's saying right now is that there's a lot of people on Twitter that are thinking negative sentiments of Bitcoin because maybe of this crypto tax bill, whatever it is they're thinking, but the price is still going up. Bitcoin has gone up really fast in just the past week. A lot of these cryptos have done the same as well. But the funny thing is there's a lot of negative sentiment. And the people that are on Twitter are retail investors with little to no experience with investing. So what he's saying and what we see a lot of times when people are thinking the worst, that's when the whales, that's when they buy, and that's when they cause things to go crazy, to catch people off guard. And that's what is about to happen right now. So remember I showed you guys this chart, the altcoin index, the altcoin season index, that we're headed into Bitcoin season. Look at this, we just had a huge bounce back out of Bitcoin season. I'm gonna show you exactly why in just a second. So it looks like the altcoins are about to start rallying. That's why Dogecoin, that's why a lot of altcoins like Cardano, like Litecoin, some of these altcoins are just consolidating. They're not moving because they're waiting for Bitcoin. They're waiting for Ethereum to make their really big moves. Once Bitcoin and Ethereum make their big moves, that's when a lot of retail investors, those are the ones who really buy these altcoins. Even institutions, they buy altcoins, but they're waiting for these cryptocurrencies to pump. Once Bitcoin starts breaking more levels of resistance and Ethereum continues to go up, these retail investors that are on the sidelines that have kind of forgotten about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, once they see Bitcoin to 45K, 50K, that's going to be all over the news. Oh my gosh, Bitcoin is doing this. It's on track to hit 200,000 by the end of the year. It's back on track to hit 300,000 by the end of the year, which is something we're going to hear very soon. Once they start seeing that, that's when the altcoins start to pump like crazy because FOMO settles in and the retail investors, they start FOMOing like crazy, and that brings the price of altcoins up. But the altcoins need Bitcoin and Ethereum to start going crazy before they can start going crazy. And we always know when the altcoins do go crazy, they way outperform Bitcoin, they way outperform Ethereum. So that's why the altcoins are slow at certain times, because they perform so well when their time comes. So just continue to have patience with Dogecoin, with some of your altcoins, because we're all holding the bag here. We're all waiting for these cryptos to go up. And it goes to show you that the people that have had patience, that they are winning right now. The people that sold, that became impatient, they sold their Ethereum at 1700, they are really upset. The people that sold their Bitcoin at 28K, 30K, or some of these other cryptocurrencies, they're very upset right now. And they're buying back in. They're buying back in at a $10,000 loss, however big of a loss they are, because they continue to be impatient. But those of us who have patience, who have diamond hands, continue to watch the markets, we are making the most money. But let's go even further to drill our point in. So this is the Bitcoin dominance, which shows us right now that we are at a 46% Bitcoin dominance. This shows the market share of Bitcoin compared to altcoins. So what has happened, and this is partially due because of Ethereum, this huge update coming out to Ethereum. That's why Ethereum is outperforming every crypto right now for the most part consistently. We got a double top. This is a bearish reversal sign, and we're getting it on the Bitcoin dominance, which shows when this Bitcoin dominance begins to lower and drop and drop and drop, you will see Ethereum and you will see the altcoins start to go crazy and Bitcoin starts to slow down. That's what's just starting to happen right now as we see. And the altcoin season index, we're getting a bounce right here that's due to the Bitcoin dominance. So when the Bitcoin dominance begins to lower like crazy, and I can show you, look at this major drop in the Bitcoin dominance when we are all the way up here, 73%, dropped all the way and bottomed out at 39%. This is when the altcoins and Dogecoin were going crazy. And then we finally bottomed out. But we could continue this downtrend, which would be amazing to see. If we do get a downtrend in the Bitcoin dominance, we will see altcoins go crazy. But even if we don't, some of the strong altcoins like Dogecoin, like Litecoin, Cardano, they will still continue to do amazing things. Most importantly, if we see a Dogecoin chart, we're still in an uptrend. Even though we're going slow, we're still in an uptrend. Look at this bottom right here. This was the bottom, and we're still getting higher highs and higher lows. We have yet to break that higher high, but look at this, we're going up. That's the trajectory, we are going up, that's the key. If you were so zoomed into the 1 minute chart and you see it going down like, oh, it goes down 1%, oh my gosh, it's crashing. Zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. Look at the chart and you see we are going up. If we zoom out with Bitcoin, we see we are going up. It's looking very good. This is very healthy to see. Bitcoin is bouncing up right now, it's even in the green. And we are holding the strong level of support. We didn't even come down to this low right here. We didn't make a new low and we bounced before it. That's very bullish. It shows we're still in an uptrend. With Ethereum, we're going straight up. We definitely need to break this level of resistance, about 2,700, which is definitely in the cards. I especially believe tomorrow. So we'll have to keep an eye on Ethereum, but I believe tomorrow is going to be a huge day for Ethereum. We'll probably get a really big pump for Ethereum with the expectation of the update coming on August 4th. So most likely, this could be a buy the rumor, sell the news event, or that happens pretty much 90% of the time. Or we might still get a huge pump on that day. So we'll definitely have to see and keep our eyes out. If you guys want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, use my WEBULL link. If you deposit $100, they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 using my link, which you can immediately sell and buy cryptos with. And if you guys want to trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, use my iTrust Capital link. And if you guys got something out of the video, make sure you guys share this video with some of your friends and family. Below in the comment section, smash that like button for me, and I will see you all tomorrow.